Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to compress a GIF file without losing quality. Quick one, we'll open up your Chrome browser. Now, first of all, you need to download an GIF file from Chrome. So quickly just come over here, download sample GIF, and then run the search. Open up this first website which says convert.co. Now on this website, you'll see a bunch of GIF. So let's download this one, which is called the Blue Dancing GIF, which is 1.66 MBs. Now, as you hit on the download, the GIF will be downloaded over here, and this is how it looks like. Now, quick one, guys, let's first go and see how it looks like by opening it. All right, so once you open it, you need to select an app that you want it to play in. For my case, I'll choose photos and I say always. All right, so this is how the GIF looks like. You can see this is how it looks like. Now, let's go ahead and compress it. Close this. To compress it, you shall open up a new tab. Then search for GIF compressor free. Run the search. After running the search, you can go ahead and choose this first website, which is the free convert. After that, you then go ahead and click on choose file, then choose from device. Then click on the GIF, which is a Blue Dancing GIF, then tap open. After that, you shall go ahead and tap on the compress button over here. And then the compression will start running. You can see over here, it's at 24%. So you need to wait until it reaches 100%. Once it reaches 100%, then the compression will have been completed and the GIF will have reduced at least from 1.66 MBs to KBs. Alright, so let's wait and see. So once it reaches 100 over here, we shall click on this download button, and obviously the download button will be enabled there and then. Alright, you can see over here it's compressing, and basically that's it. So just click on the download button and then you'll find where to save it. Save it to device. And then once you save it to device, you see over here, this is it. Now over here, you can see that the size has reduced. Right click. After right clicking, we shall come over here and see that the size has now reduced to 532 KBs. So thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet